Welcome to Day 8 Gratitude Challenge. So, the topic is magical ingredient. You need food to live, to think, and to feel good. And so, there is great deal to be grateful for the food. In quantum physics, there is an observer effect. What it says is, whatever you are observing, you will have a changing impact on whatever the thing is being observed. So with this, from the past ancient traditions, many people traditionally follow or being grateful for the food they eat, being thankful for the food they eat. They bless the food before eating or bless the water they are drinking. Even you can go and experience how it helps. If you can hold a morsel of food in your hand and say the gratitude, thank you to the food, and then eat it, the flavor itself will change. The toxicity will go away. Go and you can try it at your home. So, what happens basically is it changes the energy, the structure, and the food gets purified by being grateful for the food. So, everything that is consumed has impact on our well being of our body. So we should be grateful for the food we eat because it is serving our body maintenance from the day we are born to the day till we die, right? And how this food comes to us. There are so many farmers involved, pickers involved, packers involved, distributors involved, and a lot of transportation people. This whole food industry, it's a big thing, big organization that is going on for years together from ages. How it operates day in and day out, it's unfathomable. We can't think how many people are involved in this. So whenever you are having food, be grateful for all these people because they are giving you fresh fruits and vegetables at your doorstep, isn't it? You just, and also you can be grateful for the supermarkets, all the stores, online shops. So many people are involved in this food thing. If you say in this period, the food industry is the most surviving and most thriving one that is going on. Without food, nobody is surviving, right? So also, if you close your eyes and put a morsel of food into your mouth, then if you can sense and have gratitude for the food, you can sense the flavor of it differently. You can smell it differently. You taste it differently. So just spend some time in relishing every piece of food you eat into your mouth. It can be plant food or any kind of food that you are having. Even the drink, if you are relishing it, then you need not even take more quantity because that satisfaction, satiety comes even before having the amount of food that you want to eat. Food should always be eaten slowly. They say chew 32 times before getting into the stomach. The actual digestion happens in the mouth, yeah, with the saliva. So it is good to chew the food properly so that the digestion is faster and easier. So every single day the exercise you need to follow is be grateful for the food. Basically it purifies whatever you are eating. And coming to water, water is needed for many things. For cleaning purposes, for drinking. Overall, earth contains 70% of water. Even our body has 70% of water. And how you express gratitude to water matters. If you go and see the experiment conducted by Masaru Emoto, he says when we say love feelings, how the water structure will change. If we say gratitude, how the structure will change. If you show hatred, how the structure will change. Even they conducted on the rice, boiled rice. One box they were saying all love vibration they are sending and they are expressing gratitude and love. To other box they are giving hatred emotions. So the other box of food which are given hatred emotions got spoiled in hours time, whereas which was given love vibration sustained for a long time. So what kind of food and water are you having? and you, as per the quantum physics, can change the structure of the food, can change the energy of the food, the observer effect which I have mentioned earlier. So with this, I would like to conclude. Every day before eating food, you express your gratitude. Take a few moments, close your eyes, express your gratitude. If you feel like saying it loud, you can say it loud. Then whatever you eat, it gets digested faster as well, right? If you happen to forget before eating, whenever you remember, you can again just close your eyes and go back to the moment when you have started eating of the food and express gratitude to all the food that you are having. That it not only serves you, but also there are a lot of people who are hunger, who are facing scarcity of the food. If you are grateful for the food, that will also help their lives. You will be conscious of what you are eating and how you are using the food. That will change the vibration on the planet earth, and so that whoever is undergoing hunger and scarcity will be blessed with food. So blessing food not only serves you, it also serves the people on the planet. So today's exercise you can follow, counting your blessings, blessing the food whenever you eat, and the water as well. And then end of the day you have the magic rock in hand and bless for the best thing that happened in your life. Be grateful for it. Thank you guys.